Hi there everyone. In today's video I'm gonna showcase how to record the multiple tracks in OBS, which is an awesome tool. I had to use it much before. Basically it's a lifesaver in case you record bad audio or between your microphone or desktop audio. It's important to separate the two. So in order to do this, it's really simple. Go to settings, go to exit, and on exit you can click on audio track, up to 6 audio track. Just you can only use 1 or 2, and create your own audio receivers. For example, desktop audio is from the computer, Microsoft microphone audio external for recording your voice. Once those are set, go to the mixer, right click and show advanced property. Right here you can set the tracks. For example, audio desktop, it has all the tracks except 2, while microphone has all the tracks except 1. So since I enabled only 2 tracks, the audio track will be only 1, and the microphone track will be only 2. So in case I'm recording now, let's just say Sarum. You can hear Starun effectively recording. And now this is my voice. Important thing, one major thing is that you need then to use an editor like Kden Live, because only the first track will play, not the second one. So in case you recorded your voice, you will not hear the audio. But this is normal, because or you need to join the audio with Audacity, or you need to use an external program like Kden Live, and then export the audio with both your audio recorded. So basically, right now, if I listen my audio, it will be like this. You see that my recording was working of my microphone, but you are not hearing nothing in the video. You will only hear Starum playing. And once we put the video in a video editor like Kden Live, will be 2 audio settings separated. Hi there everyone. In today's video I'm gonna showcase how to record multiple tracks, So basically if you screw up your audio, like say your video has too much audio, it's too loud in comparison to your voice over, you can lower the audio, you can compress it, you can fix it, you can remove it, and it's much more useful to avoid like I did in the past, you talk but the video is too loud and you don't hear nothing. So it's important to separate the audios. It's a bit annoying to each time modify them. You can join them with Audacity, as I told you before, and then use Avidemux to scrap the audio from the original and put the new audio to get the things much more faster. And yeah, from here, that's pretty much it. It's important to do this. You can just export the video right here. Like if you need to know where when you're talking or you're not, like Kdenlive has the audio spectrum. Here we can see that Daru was playing. Down above, you can see me talking. It's really easy. So hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching, and I wanted to do this because I recently got a good audio. I was searching for tutorials. They're a bit longer in my opinion, but yeah, I wanted to keep things short. Bye, and thank you for watching.